by doing this brutal clearing, they've left this exposed to sun. Now, a lot of decisions go into these events, I guess. But I don't know, with all these people crying because they won't have jobs in the future because of technology, perhaps it would be great to teach a whole new generation of stewards. So we don't have to go in with big equipment with the reasoning being that, oh, no one can afford to do it any other way. I mean, really? We can't afford to do it another way, or we just don't have the will? I don't know. I think we have some things to figure out. Meanwhile, this is what's left of that beautiful oak. Not a lot, but there's still life in him. It's incredible. He doesn't even look that big on the screen, but he's incredible.